Hey everyone, we're at Jambo House. This is room 5331. It is a Savanna View Studio. One of my absolute favorite rooms. I love a lot of the intricate woodwork and stuff that they have in these rooms. Makes them very exotic. Makes you feel like you're somewhere different, you're not just at Disney World. The little details to stuff. Got nice granite countertops in the little kitchenette area, microwave, coffee pot. These are a queen size bed, standard size pull-out couch. Has a nice armoire. Again, the armoire has engravings and stuff in it. It's a nice size. I looked in this a second ago. This is big enough for most laptops in here. It's a nice size safe. All the little details that only Disney does with everything. Obviously, it's a map of Africa, all the different places. Again, everything, you've got the dark woods there, all nice and carved. Lamps are always nice in here, and I always like this little work area, little nook, because I always appreciate this same exact mirror. I always love this one. And this is a Savanna View room with some animals outside. Not a ton right now. I see there's a couple running around. Run, buddy, run. There's wildebeest back there. I don't see any giraffes at the moment. Zebra back there as well. Wind's kicking up. I'm not sure if you can hear it in the video. Just a nice little breeze. It feels actually really nice. That's right. Out here again, patio. Little balcony out. Zebras in the metal chairs. But nice and quiet. Always one of my favorite resorts for the tranquility. A lot of other resorts are hustling and bustling. This resort, you come back at night after the parks, and it's nice and mellow and quiet. So it's a really, really peaceful getaway, which is nice. I love Boardwalk because there's always tons of stuff to do at night. It's a completely different vacation when you go there. But when you come back to Animal Kingdom Jambo House, it is just nice and peaceful and quiet. At nighttime, they have activities, and they have night vision goggles to look at the animals. Just a really, really peaceful, beautiful resort. So thank you very much for joining us. If you'd like to find out how to get this room at around 40% off of Disney's prices, again, that's even cheaper than the travel agent's rates. The cheapest, Disney doesn't even offer these rates. Just go to www.dvc-rental.com. Or if you're thinking of becoming a Disney Vacation Club member, please check out our resale company, www.buyandsell.dvc.com. Again, by going through resale instead of directly through Disney, you can typically save around 30 to 40% off of Disney's prices for the contract. So that could be a $10,000 savings. So definitely something you'd like to look into. And one last thing while I'm here. So I realized I didn't make my way back over here. This is the bathroom area. Again, very nice little tile work in here. And they have the soaps. So again, I got a little too excited with giving out the information on how to save for the rooms and for the contracts. Almost forgot the little bathroom vanity area. And the vanity on the outside is really nice because that way you can have somebody who's in the shower and you can have your other kids or your wife or husband, getting ready outside, and they're not messing up the person who's in the shower. So it's not like once somebody's showering, everything comes to a standstill. So it's really, really nice to have the outside vanities, and also nice to have those dual sinks right there. So thank you very much as always. Please follow us and like us. We appreciate it. And this way you get all of our Disney information as soon as it comes out. So everybody have a wonderful day.